and welcome to episode number 7 in my Metroidvania course demo series. Let's continue and have a look at some of the features you will learn how to implement when you enroll in this course. Let's start. Our next feature is the hero attack feature, so we can attack on ground and also in air, and as we are running. Then the next feature is Godot time, which is a forgiving jump mechanic, so even if you pass the edge, you have a small time to perform the jump. It looks like this. But if I'm too late, I'm just gonna fall down. Alright, this was all for episode 7. In a day or two, we will continue in episode number 8. See you there.